Hello friends. Welcome my YouTube channel. Today I create flip text effect by using Adobe Illustrator. Create new document. Rename the project and change units to pixels. Then type document size and click Create button. First you go to View menu and click Fit Artboard in Window. Go to Rectangle tool and create new rectangle. Now rectangle align to artboard vertically and horizontally. Change the rectangle color. Then go to Type tool and type some text like this. Now text rotate 90 degree. Go to Object menu and click Expand option. Then click OK. Now go to Free Transform tool and select Perspective Distort. Then text transform like this. Now get a copy by holding Alt key. Then transform like this. Select both texts by holding Shift key. Now go to Blend tool. Now change specified steps value to 2. Now you can get 2 copies by click both text like this. Then you can change spacing between text by using Direct Selection tool and Anchor Point tool. Now go to Object menu and click Expand option again. Then apply gradient like this. Now go to Object menu and click Ungroup option. Then you can change spacing between text manually. Now group all text again. Go to Rotate tool and rotate 180 degree. Then click Copy option. Now align to artboard vertically and horizontally. Okay friends. Thanks for watching Multimedia Guider YouTube channel and don't forget subscribe my channel.